Hello everyone, this dish was made by our hotel's female chef who earns 28,000 yen a month. After tasting it, the boss couldn't stop praising it and decided to price it at 58 yen. Today, I'm going to share the detailed recipe with you. First, prepare a few sheets of seaweed and place them in a large bowl. Then pour in some clean water. Let it soak for 5 minutes. Prepare 6 authentic hen eggs and put them in a bowl. Add a spoonful of salt. Pour in some clean water. Then wash the eggs thoroughly. There are a lot of bacteria and impurities on the surface of eggs, so cleaning them well makes them more hygienic and safer to eat. Once washed, take the eggs out. The seaweed is done soaking, so wash it clean. After washing, take it out and squeeze out the excess water. Then use a knife to roughly chop the seaweed a few times. After chopping, put it in a bowl for later use. Crack the cleaned eggs into a bowl. Add a spoonful of salt to enhance the base flavor. Add an appropriate amount of pepper to remove any fishy smell. Use chopsticks to stir the eggs, but stirring like this is incorrect. Let me share with you the technique hotel chefs use to beat eggs. When we beat eggs, we should lift them up as we stir. This way, the eggs become fluffy and soft. Stir until bubbles form on the surface of the eggs. Then pour the beaten eggs into the bowl with the seaweed. Prepare some scallions and chop them into small pieces. After chopping, put them into the bowl. Then use chopsticks to mix everything thoroughly. We need to stir a bit longer so that the seaweed is evenly coated with the egg mixture. Next, add a little oil to the pan. Once the oil is hot, pour in the seaweed and egg mixture. Then use a spatula to keep stirring so it heats evenly. Stir-fry the eggs until they set, then let them cook until they hold their shape. Once one side is done, flip it over. After both sides are cooked, use the spatula to break it up. Then turn the heat to high and continue stir-frying to evaporate the moisture and bring out the aroma. In this dish, both the eggs and seaweed are quite flavorful. There's no need to add chicken bouillon or MSG. We just add a little salt. Add a bit of steamed fish soy sauce. Stir-fry over high heat for 10 seconds to release the aroma and wok hei. Alright, it's done. Take it out of the pan and plate it up. This dish may look simple, but it's especially delicious and tasty. It's easy to make, nutritious, and goes great with rice. Both adults and kids love it. If you like my video, remember to like, follow, and share. Thank you for your support.